upgrade the racing car.
What are you doing? No! Help! Please help me!
Emergency? Let's go! Oh my! We are at TinkerBot Repair Center now.
TinkerBot, look at me! They bullied me!
Let me check you first. I will upgrade you and make you stronger.
That's great!
First, let's upgrade your tires. Oh, your bumper is dented and your body is damaged. I will upgrade your body too. All upgrades are done.
Wow! Thank you! I look so cool!
Now try your engine.
What's wrong with my engine?
Don't worry, I can fix it. I will add super engine oil and clean the rust inside. Finally, I paint a cool lightning logo. Wax and polish. All done.
Wow! Thank you, TinkerBot! Now I am the fastest and strongest race car! I will win the race!
Good luck. Take care.
Bye-bye! I'm going back to the race!
Bye-bye. Drive safely.
First place is mine!